Let's read this question. So the question says that which of the following statement is or are correct. So you have to find out among these four statements which statement is correct or which statements are correct. So there are four statements. First statement, nitrogen oxide in basic aqueous solution disproportionate. Statement 2, copper nitrate and lead nitrate each on thermal decomposition liberate both NO2 and O2 gases. And third statement, some metals like chromium, aluminium and ferrous do not dissolve in concentrated HNO3 due to the formation of passive film of oxide on the surface. And statement 4, nitrogen peroxide is oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. So let's solve this question. So first statement is, or option A is, nitrogen oxide, that is NO2, in basic aqueous solution like water, disproportionate. So nitrogen oxide in basic aqueous solution gives HNO3 plus HNO2. So nitric acid and nitrous acid is formed. Nitric acid and nitrous acid is formed. So here oxidation state of nitrogen is +4, here +5 and here is +3. So what is disproportionation? So disproportionation is if simultaneously oxidation and reduction takes place, then it is called disproportionation. Disproportionation. So disproportionation is if simultaneously one element is oxidized as well as reduced, then that is called disproportionation. So here nitrogen is oxidized to form nitric acid and reduced to form nitrous acid, that is HNO2. So here nitrogen oxidized as well as reduced at the same time or simultaneously. That means nitrogen oxide in basic aqueous solution disproportionate. That means statement A is correct. Then statement B. So statement B is copper nitrate and lead nitrate each on thermal decomposition gives liberate both nitrogen oxide and oxygen. So option B is when copper nitrate, that is Cu NO3 copper nitrate and lead nitrate PbNO3. So both on thermal decomposition liberate both NO2 and O2 gases. So copper nitrate on thermal decomposition gives copper oxide plus NO2, that is nitrogen oxide plus oxygen, and lead nitrate on thermal decomposition gives lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. So in both cases, both nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gases liberate. That means statement B is also correct. Then statement C. Some metal like chromium, aluminium and ferrous do not dissolve in concentrated HNO3 due to the formation of passive film of oxide on the surface. This is also true. Like some metal like chromium, aluminium, ferrous, they do not dissolve in concentrated HNO3 due to the formation of passive film. Due to the formation of passive film of oxide on the surface. So this statement is also true. Then fourth statement. So fourth statement is hydrogen peroxide is oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. So hydrogen peroxide is both oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. So hydrogen peroxide oxidized to oxygen. That means here the oxidation state is -1. So -1 oxidation state, it is oxidized to oxygen, that is 0 oxidation state, and it is here oxidation, here reduction. So oxidized to oxygen, that is -1 to 0 oxidation state, and reduced to water, -1 to -2 oxidation state. So that means it is oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. So that means it is strongly oxidizing agent but poorly reducing agent, but both oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. So this statement is also correct. So all the four options, that is A, B, C and D statements are correct. So this is correct, this is also correct, this is also correct, and this is also correct. So both A, B, C and D options are correct. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.